Switches. A switch is the most common means of providing control of electrical current flow to an accessory. A switch can control the on or off operation of a circuit or direct the flow of current through various circuits. The contacts inside the switch assembly carry the current when they are closed. When they are open, current flow is stopped. A normally open switch will not allow current flow when it is in the rest position. The contacts are open until they are acted on by an outside force that closes them to complete the circuit. A normally closed switch will allow current flow when it is in the rest position. The contacts are closed until they are acted on by an outside force that opens them to stop current flow. Simplest type of switch is the single pole, single throw switch. This switch controls the on-off operation of a single circuit. The most common type of SPST switch design is the hinged pole. The pole acts as the contact and changes the position as directed to open or close the circuit. Some SPST switches are designed to be a momentary contact switch. This switch usually has a spring that holds the contacts open until an outside force is applied to close them. The horn button on most vehicles is of this design. Some electrical systems might require the use of single-pole double-throw switch (SPDT). The dimmer switch used in the hill light system is usually SPDT switch. This switch has one input circuit with two output circuits. Depending on the position of the contacts, voltage is applied to the high beam circuit or to the low beam circuit. One of the most complex switches is the ganged switch. This type of switch is commonly used as an ignition switch. In the following circuit, the 5 wipers are ganged together and the wheel moved together. Battery voltage is applied to the switch from the starter relay terminal. When the ignition key is turned to start position, all wipers move the S position. Wiper D and E will complete the circuit ground to test the instrument panel warning lamps. Wiper B provides battery voltage to the ignition coil. Wiper C supplies battery voltage to starter relay and ignition module. Wiper IA has no output. As I thought, this type of switch is very difficult to understand.